Hello dear students, in this lesson I'm going to talking about rational numbers. The definition of rational numbers are numbers that can be written as a fraction. For example, we have 15. 15 is rational number because we can write 15 as a fraction like that. We have 15 out of 1. 15 out of 1, it means 15 divided by 1 equal to 15. So 15 is a rational number. And then we have negative 9. Negative 9 can be written as a fraction like negative 9 out of 1 equal to negative 9. So negative 9 is a rational number. And then we have 0.29. We can write this decimal number as a fraction like 29 out of 100. So 29 out of 100 is a rational number. And then we have negative 8 and 75. We can write this decimal number as a fraction like negative 8 and 75 out of 100. So negative 8.75 is rational numbers. It means all whole numbers like 0, 1, 2 and all integer numbers are called whole numbers. All whole numbers are rational numbers, and all integer numbers, negative integers, 0 and positive integers, are rational numbers. After that, the second part of this lesson, how to represent each rational numbers and the number line. So we have negative 2.5. Negative 2.5, this point is negative 2, and negative 2.5 so negative, this is negative 2, negative 2.5 should be here. This point is negative 2.5. After that we have negative 0.18. This point is 0, and we have negative 0.18 should be here. This point is negative 0.18. After that you have 2.25. This is 2, and 2.25 should be here. 2.25. After that we have negative 4. This point is negative 4. And then you have 0.18. 0.18, this is 0 and this is positive integer, so 0.80 should be here. This point is 0.18. After that we have negative 2 and 1 out of 5, it means negative 2.5. Negative 2.5, this point is negative 2.5 and negative 2 and 1 out of 5. 1 out of 2, sorry. After that we have 1 out of 5. 1 out of 5, the decimal form for 1 out of 5, we can multiply 5 to change to 10, multiply by 2 equal to 2 out of 10, and then 2 out of 10, the decimal form for 2 out of 10 is 0.2. So we have this point is 0 and 0.2 should be here. After that, the third part of this lesson, write each mixed number as a fraction. When we write this mixed number as a fraction, we have to follow this rule: whole number multiplied by denominator and then add with numerator. 9 times 8 plus 3 out of 8. 9 times 8 equal to 72. 72 plus 3 equal to 75 out of 8. So the fraction form for 9 and 3 out of 8 is 75 out of 8. The second one, we have 4 and 7 out of 10. We have to multiply 4 by 10 plus 7 out of 10. 4 times 10 is 40 plus 7 equal to 47 out of 10. The fourth part of this lesson, write each decimal as a fraction. When you write this decimal as a fraction, after this point you have 22, so this 22 should be writing as a numerator, and then after this point you have two numbers. We have to write 2 0 with 1. So 0.22 is 22 out of 100. Example number 2, you have 0.8. 8 is numerator, and then after this point you have one number, so you have to write 10. Example number 3, we have this example 0.09. We have to write the number after this point as a numerator. We have 9, and for denominator we have two numbers after this point, so you have to write 100. Example number 4, after this point we have 008, so it doesn't need to write 00. You have to write only 8 out of, after this point we have three numbers, so you have to write 3 zeros with 1, so 8 out of 1000. Example number 5, we have 0.846. We have to write 846 as a numerator, and for the denominator, after this point you have three numbers, so you have to write 3 zeros with 1. Example number 9, we have 0.9243. We have to write 9243 as a numerator, and for the denominator, after this point you have four numbers. You have to write 4 zeros with 1, so equal to 9243 out of 10,000. And then in this part of this lesson, write each fraction as a decimal. We have 3 out of 8. When we want to change fraction to decimal, we have two ways. The first way, we have to look at the denominator. If the denominator change to 10 or 100 or 1000 by multiplying, you can use multiplication way. But if we can't change the denominator to 10 or 100 or 1000, you have to use division way. So 8 multiplied by any number, we can't change to 10 or 100 or 1000. So the only way for changing this fraction to decimal is long division. We have 3 out of 8. It means you have 3 divided by 8. 3 divided by 8 is 0. 0 times 8 is 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. We have to write decimal point and 0. And then we have to write the decimal point, the quotient, and bring down 0. 30 divided by 8 is 3. 3 times 8 is equal to 24. This 0 becomes 10 and 3 becomes 2. 10 minus 4 is 6. 2 minus 2 is 0. And then we have to write another 0 and bring down. 60 divided by 8 is 7. 7 times 8 equal to 54. Sorry, 56. This 0 becomes 10 and 6 become 5. 10 minus 6 is 4. 5 minus 5 is 0. And then we have to write another 0 and bring down, you have 40. 40 divided by 8 is 5. 5 times 8 is 40. 40 minus 40 is 0. So the decimal form for 3 out of 8 is 0.375. After that, second example, you have 9 out of 7. 9 divided by 7. 9 divided by 7 is 1. 1 times 7 is 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. You have to write decimal point and 0. Write the decimal point, the quotient, and bring down 0. You have 20. 20 divided by 7 is 2. 2 times 7 is 14. This 0 become 10 and 2 become 1. 10 minus 4 is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0, and then you have to write another 0. You have 60. 60 divided by 7 equal to 8. 8 times 7 equal to 56. This 0 become 10 and 6 become 5. 10 minus 6 is 4, and 5 minus 5 is 0. And then you have to write another 0 and bring down, you have 40. 40 divided by 7 is 5. 5 times 7 is 35. This 0 become 10 and 4 become 3. 10 minus 5 is 5. 3 minus 3 is 0. And then you have to write another 0 and bring down it. You have 50. 50 divided by 7 equal to 7. 7 times 7 equal to 49. 50 minus 49 is 1. We have to write another 0 and bring down it. We have 10. 10 divided by 7 is 1. 1 times 7 equal to 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. We have to write another 0 and bring down it. 30. 30 divided by 7 is 4. 4 times 7 equal to 28. 30 minus 28 is 2. And then we have 2. So this division is repeating division. If we write another 0 and bring down it, you have 20. 20 divided by 7 equal to 2. So this is a repeating numbers, repeating division. We will get 2, 8, 5, 7, 1, 4, and then again 2, 8, 5, 7, 1, 4. So this division is repeating division. So the decimal number for 9 out of 7 is 1.285714, and then this sign, it means this division is repeating division.